everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you something really special. I am going to do a review on these particular flat irons that I believe are great. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica. My channel is all about what my take is on life. I do some cooking, some shopping, and a few tutorials to help you create your own YouTube channel if you are looking to start being a content creator. So today, you guys, I'm going to do a review on the Deeper Than Hair titanium flat irons. It's actually called 22Titania flat iron. I started following this channel on YouTube here called Deeper Than Hair, and it was pretty much a hairstylist named Kiki. So on her channel, what I got from her channel was all about healthy hair. She even has a product line specifically for taking care of your hair, but it's completely sold out. I haven't had a chance to get my hands on any of her hair care product. I was lucky enough to get these flat irons. When I went on the site to order them, they were literally sold out within 15 minutes. So I am so happy I got these flat irons. Now, when I got these flat irons in the mail, you know, they came in a regular shipping box, but you also get this container here. Now, I know it's hard to store your flat irons with the cords just, you know, everywhere, and this is such a great idea on how to store your flat irons. It's cushioned inside to protect the integrity of the flat irons, and it's a nice sturdy hard case so you can store it and don't have to worry about your flat irons getting mashed. If this falls, the box will absorb the impact of it falling, so you don't have to worry about your flat irons, because I don't know how many times I dropped my flat irons and something cracked on them. And these flat irons are not cheap. Now let's get to the flat irons. I chose to get the smoking gun style, which is just the sleek gray and black. Now when I first got these flat irons, something was a little confusing to me because I've never seen this before. And I was a little confused, but if you guys can see this, and it's the coolest part about the flat irons, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see this. There we go. I thought the plates of the flat irons were loose because I didn't know, okay? And they actually are not loose. These are what they call floating plates. And let me tell you why this was such a great idea to put with flat irons. Now, I don't know if there's any other flat irons out there that's like this, but this is such a great idea because when you have flat irons where the plates are just in place and you put thick pieces of hair in there, the hair back here never seems to get flat iron. And I've seen myself go through with flat irons, you know, we pull it tight, and the hair that's on the back end seems like it never get flat iron like the hair that's in the front, because the plates are just in place and they don't move to fit with the hair. And so with these, when you put the hair through, by it floating, you're able to push the back part of the plate against the hair, and you get the same type of straightness or curl or whatever you're doing to the front piece of the hair that you do to the back, if that makes sense. So I find that to be amazing, because that means you're gonna have to do less passes through the hair, and all your hair is being evenly flat ironed the same way, and your style will just last longer. This does have a temperature dial over here that I will show you. The temperature goes from 300 up to 465. I typically, with my hair, usually use 410, and that's just with one pass. I do not go through my hair multiple times, and that's one pass. And I typically only flat iron my hair maybe twice a year at the most. I usually wear my hair in this natural state, hence the reason why my hair is like this. I want you guys to see that I don't have any heat damage. I've already washed and conditioned my hair and I let it air dry. And this is how my hair is air dried. There's no heat damage. I know it looks like it's a little dry, maybe a lot of dry, but let me assure you it's not. I moisturized it and oiled it, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it first and then flat iron it. But before I blow dry it again, I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet because my hair is coiled together. This is type 4 hair. I don't know if it's A, B, or C, or D, but it's type 4 hair. So you don't want to try to put any combs or any brushes through this in this state because you will have breakage. My hair is very healthy. It's very healthy and thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet my hair now and come back and blow dry it, and we're gonna see how these flat ironers do on my hair. I do want to tell you some of the products that I use. Now right now I am using Alfuji shampoo and conditioner, as well as Sally's brand conditioner. Nothing special. It's what I got during this pandemic. It's hard to get your hands on a lot of things, but these are some items that I use and I love them. I will link them down below so you can see what they are, but they're my oldies but goodies. Once Kiki hairline comes back in stock, I will try to get my hands on that and do a review for you guys. But something I'm really loving right now that I just started using this year that I would have never thought to use was this product right here. I think I said something about this in my other video, and it's called the Lightweight Oil Protecting Spray, and it's compared to Bumble and Bumble. I still haven't tried Bumble and Bumble yet because I haven't ran out of this, but this is the generic brand product that Sally's Beauty have. And when I tell you I love this stuff, this is a frizz fighting treatment that detangles, protects, and conditions brittle hair. This is a great primer spray and heat protectant, and I love it. Like, I just want to show you guys really quick how it sprays out. So it's almost like a creamy consistency, but it's still lightweight, and I love it. It does not weigh my hair down or make it feel. I typically put it on when my hair is wet, detangle with it, and then place my oil on top of that, which right now I am using this. This is the Mango and Lime Island Oil. This is pretty good. I love this. I've been having this for a while. And I place my oil on top of that to seal it in, and then I'll go ahead and blow dry it and flat iron it. So right now I'm going to go and wet my hair, and I will be back so we can blow dry my hair. So you guys, when I blow dry my hair, I typically put the leave-in conditioner and then oil on top. My leave-in conditioner, like I said before, is a heat protectant also. I section my hair into small sections, detangle them, braid them down so they won't coil back up, and then you will see I'll go ahead and blow dry each section by itself. Once I'm done blow drying it, I will try to go ahead and braid that section back up, but I'll keep the sections separate until all my hair is blow dried, and then I'll blow dry my hair all together, as you will see here. when I flat iron, I do add a little bit more oil. I don't think you've seen it here, but I will add just a tad bit more oil. And then I'm only making one pass through my hair. It's very important to me that I don't have any heat damage and I don't lose my curl pattern. So I am going to only make one pass, as you see here. And I'm gonna go with the same type of curl pattern throughout my whole head.